Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasi pale jong katayo kalarai ban penken ria no shwai katarek tap vote bat katarek nyo vote jong ki election chaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kabalapen bana ban long haka khandai tarek uyayong namar ka jingya jan palat bat ki election MLA jong jela Assam kaban kot haka ndreu tarek jong ubnayayong
Ka Sarkar kala shim ka nikarai ha ka jingalang jong ka kanhun menteri ka balaya taisani halor ka jingterwa ka bawan na katana District Council Affairs ka jela ka bapentep ikibabun ki jing e ban penkre ki jingdon kambaro na ka bentak election kamtam ha kaliang ka kampahara ka jingdon kinong penya election ka ya ka yang kibrio bat ka jingya jong ki kali Laban kedaw hangne, babun ki constituency jong ka Lower Assam, ki badon markhab bat ka rilom Garo, kinya tap vote ha ka handrew tarik uyayong, banjit maya ki MLA. Namar ka ki election, ka Sarkar jala kalarai ban penkenriak no ki election jong ka GHADC, na ka khandai tarik uyayong, sa ka khat ar tarik uyayong, bat ya ka jing nyaw vote, na ka khat saw tarik uyayong, sa ka khat san tarik uyayong.
After the announcement of the Assam elections, the third phase of the Assam election will be held on 6th of April, which also happens to be the areas which are falling closer to Garo Hills region, which is Lower Assam. So with that in mind, the polling of the GHADC, which was supposed to be on 9th, needs to be postponed so that the logistics, which includes security, manpower, transportation, that means vehicles, all these aspects need to be looked into. And if the election dates of Assam and Lower Assam, that is, and Garo Hills autonomous and elections are too close, then it may be difficult to have a proper election in terms of the logistics. So therefore, it has been proposed that the polling date of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council be shifted from the 9th of April to the 12th of April, which is a Monday, and the counting accordingly will be shifted from 14th of April to 15th of April.
Kakanhun menteri hakani ka jingalang kala rairu ban pentre kamno e ka scheme ai song pisa shakilanot ki bayap bat bamansaw na ka jingsha bom hakipat ba hapo ka jala bat katkum ka nikarai la pentep ba ka jingarap song pisa kan long arlak tengka shaki bahayeng jong kilanot ki bayap na ka jingsha bom bat shilak tengka shaki ba mansaw kan nikarai jong ka Sarkar kalami halor ka jing kadaw jong ka yeng kashari ba hedu jong kari India ka ba ong ba ki jala kide bandon ke skim pan ajing arab ikilanot hakum kini kijingja nalor kani kakunhun menteri kala rairu pan wanra ya kajing pen kala kerteng ya ke school ba Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India shaka ICFI University bat ya kani ansara shaka yengdor bar thawan ke jala banyo ya kajing menjur.
The scheme had been proposed that if a person loses his or her life, then an ex gratia of 2 lakhs will be given to the next of kin. And if there is disability, then 1 lakh will be given to the concerned individual and the family.
Hakane ka jialan nakaliang jo menteri ka tanat ka kwat ka kya ulapan saw ya ka jingbom saw ya hap ya ka rajong ka kanhun menteri baladem ka biade bat ka jingarap jong ka Sarkar bansiu ya ka khajna income tax bahab bansiu da baro ki officer All India Services ki bawan shakri ha ka jala nado ka financial year ka banwan halor kani umentri rang ba ka jala upentep ba umentri ulapan pau ya ka jing song kya jong haba kadaw ya ka jing bom yo lang ya ka ju ka jing mentoy de ki wei pat ki officer handrei ulapan tep ba ula krenshai ba ka Sarkar kam la shu ban pen kala ya ka rai bat ba umentri dai satya ban penya khle ya ka ne ka kam jong ki officer All India Services ka balong ru kat kom karai jong ka Sarkar pedeng
Hakasngi ka babot ka kanhun menteri jong ka jala kale kendo obyang bat kala menjur bandan no tang kawai ka anch na yeng ha ka jala bat ka Sarkar kan sara agi yang dorbar thawan na kabanta ban penkala ya ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws Amendment Bill arhajar arpuwei u James PK sangma habe kren bikinang pathai kubor ulong ba ka Sarkar jala kala shimekarai ban penkala no ya ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws arhajar khatwei namar bagadon jingtmu bandan tang kawai ka an Henry Higijaka ke bedang hap apo ke jingkmi jangka municipal ki padba ken hap balet panjing bet naga Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda. Kad bagi padba ke bahap Higijaka jangka district council kinha banit panjing bet na ke district council na kebenta ban Senayeng. James PK sangma uloong bahagaan Senayeng ke batamai onsha ikipat ba ban Senayeng hadu henyo mala ha ke jingjrong ka ba arpenyo mitar ha jaka ke badan palat ya ka sanpo haja square feet. Kakunhun Menteri Kalarai ban penkelai ke Meghalaya Amendment of Education Code ha ke baidai bat kerukom terekam jong kinyong tere ha jaka pulih ke bi jingarap na ke sarkar. Ka sarkar jela kala ajeng menjor ke Meghalaya State Health Policy hadin gejinge selok ke jingya tai bat ke jingyo gejing ai jingmut na gi babun balang. Ka sarkar Kalarai ban penkelano iki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Lokayukta Act arhajar khatsau ban pen ko bor ke sarkar lakan thung tang uwei ubriau ne bungut kumit khot jong ke Lokayukta. Nalor kania ka sarkar jela kala menjuru ikajing terwa ban penkelai ke Meghalaya Sale of Petroleum and Petroleum Products kenthop ya ka Motor Spirit Taxation Act. Ka sarkar kala penmi ikajing penmana ban penterekam ya ka Meghalaya Electric Vehicle Policy ha ka santrek urampang arhajar arpuwe. Bat kane ka mat terekam kan sedang terekam non aduk kasih terek uyayong menta kesnam arhajar arpuwe. Kumta ka sarkar Kalarai ru ban kentiu ke jingshim ya ka ses sa shipau naya na kasilitar ke umplang petrol ba diesel ibadi hapok ke
there was
jela.
an additional 2% that was to be levied in the form of pollution surcharge on sale. So basically what we're doing is that the pollution surcharge on sale is going to replace the sales surcharge of 2%. So there will be no difference since the old 2% will be sort of subsumed by the pollution surcharge on sale. Existing rules regarding conduct and discipline of the employees of aided educational institution allows teachers of aided educational institutions to offer himself or herself as a candidate for election to the legislative bodies. In fact, Rule 6 and 7 of the aforesaid rule reads as follows. Number 6, that is, no employee shall offer himself as a candidate for election to a legislative body or for holding office of any political organization except in accordance with provision of Rule 7, that provided that an employee may seek election as an independent candidate of a panchayat with the previous approval of the managing committee, but he shall not be entitled to accept any office thereunder except in accordance with the provisions of Rule 7. Rule 7 states, any employee desiring to seek election to legislative body or to hold office of any political organization or local body shall be on compulsory leave without pay from the date of filing his nomination till the end of the next academic session or till the termination of the terms of his office to which he may be elected, as the case may be. Such employee, however, shall not be allowed to retain a lien on his part for a period exceeding 5 years.